Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. As usual, I'm starting the vlog in the car that I take to school. Yeah, it's approximately, what time is it? 6:35, yes. So I'm early. Well, I was early if it come my car. But we're waiting on the others. So how are you guys doing? How is Vlogmas going on for you guys? How's the Christmas breeze? Listen, me feel some breeze this morning. You see me have on my jacket? Some breeze I blow outside this morning, and I didn't wear the warm sweater this morning because it fell on the floor and I didn't want to wear it because germs or whatever. So yeah, how you guys doing? I hope that your Christmas will be great this year. Today I really don't know what I have in store for you, but let's see what we're going to do. Tomorrow will be a little better because I'll be home, so I can make breakfast and show you. And oh, mommy made me breakfast, so when I reach at school, I'm gonna show you what mommy give me for breakfast. She spoils me today. Yes, it's a countdown for the birthday. My birthday is on Monday, so yeah, I'm gonna be spoiled all weekend into Monday. Well, I always spoil for you all of December. So anyway, yes, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sassishan. Love you guys. Let's get into the rest of the video. Bye. Guys, as I told you, I was in Kelly's, right? And the rain just started falling. No warning, no nothing. As no. Oh my God. I don't know the day is gonna be like, because as I told you, the weather was really cold this morning, especially where I live, and the rain a fall. My. Well, let's see if sun I go down where I work. So I work in Anderson Town, so let's see if sun is going to be by Anderson Town, because really and truly the rain is in Kelly. I'm already no feel well, I'm gonna take some medicine because my allergies and my bronchi just start acting up. But yeah, it's rainy morning in December. Guys, so I got to school and I was so hungry, so I'm eating breakfast before 8 o'clock, which is almost 8 o'clock. It's like at 8 o'clock. Nobody no realize I been learning yet. Alright, so if you hurry up and munch off this because I'm so hungry. What's happening? So yeah, mommy made callaloo and fried dumpling and bring orange juice with it. So yeah, I'm showing the callaloo. So I ate their callaloo and fried dumpling in a my pile. Yeah, so I'm eating my breakfast at this point. You right, Friday? Yeah. I'm coming around to see Friday. We're at Friday. No, you left off the white. No. So what everybody leave off the white? I have on a white, Write your white on your Friday. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. What kind of little these? Give me one big so I'm going to be I'm going to be Come, do that. Why is the floor your grab on the floor? Very good. Very good. Very good. You lift out something, you lift out your arm. Put in your arm. Dear, you're going to write December for me. Here, nobody take up my chalk piece. Here, here. Who's talking? M, B, E, R. Right? Not before I give you the numeral. Where's my piece of chalk? Anybody see where it's Take your time. Ah, that needed too big. Let me talk. Remember, we're using 3 lines like teacher. Very good, Ashneil. Yes, you can. No. Nothing on him can. Everybody can do something here. Very good. Come here. Where's Bestie? She helping everybody and fair work not finished. This is too many little girl. Come back. Right, baby. Right, baby. I need to come down there. I have to come down there to see it. Yes, very good. Continue. You see, and you said you couldn't. You can. I'm combing my hair. Say hi to my vlogger. Say hi. Hi. She shy, you see. Anyway, I'm combing my hair. Woohoo! Hair is getting cold. Na 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 na. Guys, I got to your store. Yes. Yes. Thank you very much. Thanks to my agent, sir. I'd fear ear card fear I don't come like seriously. But anyway, yes, I got my hair done. Thank you. I'm so happy to be home. It's not even funny. I'm home. See what's going on. Good evening. Hi pet. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. She bad man, sir? Hi! Yes, Vlogmas Day 2. As I said, I'm home, but I came back out for practice again, so we're going to be practicing. I sang my soul and Kay didn't remember to vlog it, and she sing fair me remember for vlogger. I mean, oh, them say I can't see the seat until the finished product. So bye. So I just got home. I don't know why. If you not see one blinking whatever light, I don't know why. I know my light now blink, but I don't know why it sounds so in that camera. Yeah, more so looks in that camera. By the way, I never shown them my final hairstyle. Oh yeah, I did. I don't remember. Anyway, I'm finally home. My sister is going to make supper. Are you gonna make supper for us? Why not? You gotta make supper. She's in her jersey. Show them her jersey. I don't know the link to the persons who made this, but big up them. Anyway, yeah, me hungry, so I want food, so let's head to the kitchen. And then daddy cooking soup, and we're going to eat chicken. Now take a show how the chicken are frying. My sister gone on this stuff or something. Oh, breakfast still leave. Can't eat that all the time, but yeah, the chicken up on the fire. I'm gonna eat after that. Alright guys, so you see the steam coming out of my food? Oh my god, I I can see the steam actually on this, you know. Yes, so dinner is ready. Thanks, sister. Her head's hurting her. That's why we didn't bother to fry the fries. I mean, she's not feeling well. She gas up her body. She don't eat no food. We eat biscuit with a fork. Hang it up.
It's all my fault. Too many people have died because I'm one hard-headed fool.
Okay, I come out eat first then. How does it taste?
It stopped.
Alright guys, I'm going to be heading in bed. I'm going to be watching a movie and I'm going to bed. So, thanks for watching guys. Vlogmas day 2 is over. Hope you guys had a great one. Hope you enjoyed the little day with me. Yeah, see you in Vlogmas day 3. Bye.
Rockin' around the Christmas tree.